Once again, welcome to RNA English classes. आज इस एक वीडियो में हम सारे letters cover करेंगे. We will learn writing all formal letters in this one video. Before I move on to the format of the letters and the type of formal letters that we are going to learn today, let me tell you some important guidelines for writing proper formal letters. सही तरीके से लिखना बहुत जरूरी है. For example, keep your language polite, professional and respectful. Complaint भी कर रहे हैं तो बड़े प्यार से complaint करिए. Divide the content into clear paragraphs. ऐसा ना हो पता ही नहीं चल रहा है कब paragraph change हो रहा है और कब हम ऐसे ही लिखे जा रहे हैं. Include all necessary details in a precise manner. लंबी कहानियां नहीं लिखनी है. Hi, hello, how are you? बिल्कुल नहीं लिखना है. You have to write in a proper formal expression. Informal slangs, short forms and informal expressions not allowed. ठीक है. Next, ensure proper grammar, spellings and punctuation. सबसे ज्यादा मार्क्स इन्हीं पे कटते हैं. On every 3 mistakes, board examiner आपका आधा नंबर काट लेता है ये. Next, avoid first person and second person pronoun. पूरी तरह तो नहीं हम हटा पाएंगे, but at least in the first paragraph हमें कोशिश ये करनी चाहिए कि I, me, we, you इन pronouns का यूज ना करें. Next, maintain neat presentation and proper spacing throughout the letter. देखने में भी तो impressive होना चाहिए. For an examiner, your impression is your sheet of paper. Ensure the format is aligned properly on the page. आगे पीछे नहीं भागना चाहिए format. It should be in a proper alignment. Format of the letter. अब कितने बच्चे ऐसे हैं जो फॉर्मेट भूल जाते हैं और एग्जाम से जस्ट पहले मैम के पास जाते हैं, मैम फॉर्मेट बता दीजिए. आई हैव अ वेरी इजी वे ऑफ लर्निंग योर फॉर्मेट. एक छोटा सा फ्रेज याद करना है. यार डांस तेरा सुंदर सा लगे सच्ची. हाउ इज इट अ फॉर्मेट ऑफ फॉर्मल लेटर? यार मीन्स योर एड्रेस, दैट इज सेंडर्स एड्रेस. डांस मीन्स डेट. Tera means target address to whomsoever we are actually sending a letter. Then Sundar is subject. Sa is salutation. S-U Sundar subject. S-A Sa salutation. Lage means letters complete main body. And then Sachi. That means yours truly. Sachi, truly. So that is how you can learn the format. Now the first letter that we are going to start today is letter to the editor. Letter to the editor 6th class में सिखा देते हैं and it goes on till 12th class. How to write a letter to editor, what all things that you have to keep in your mind, and I'll also show you a sample format. Now first is letter to the editor. I have already shared the link of this entire worksheet in the description and comment section. Right now listen to me carefully. When we are given with a sender's address, we write that particular address. Otherwise, we write Examination Hall, Delhi. Wherever I have drawn the lines, you have to leave a line. Fine. Now, the first paragraph. When we are writing the first paragraph of the letter to the editor, what we do it, we start it with the purpose of writing and the brief description of the problem. For example, through the columns of your esteemed newspaper, I would like to draw the attention of the authorities towards the poor condition of roads in the area of Mumbai West. ABC Road of Mumbai West is full of potholes and is usually very congested. So what I have done is, I have written the problem and the brief description of the problem. Second paragraph, use your common sense. Provide the details of these problems. इस प्रॉब्लम से और क्या क्या प्रॉब्लम्स हो सकती हैं, जस्ट राइट डाउन दोज डिटेल्स यूजिंग योर कॉमन सेंस. थर्ड पैराग्राफ, यू शुड ऑलवेज राइट अ सजेशन एंड रिक्वेस्ट ऑफ पब्लिशिंग एन अवेयरनेस आर्टिकल इन द न्यूज़पेपर. डू नॉट आस्क एडिटर टू डू एनीथिंग. एडिटर थोड़ी ना कुछ करेगा, ही इज नॉट द अथॉरिटी. यू हैव टू जस्ट आस्क द एडिटर टू पब्लिश. अगला लेटर है लेटर ऑफ प्लेसिंग एन ऑर्डर. हम सब ने ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग की है. हम जब ऑनलाइन ऑर्डर प्लेस करते हैं, हम चेक करते हैं डिलीवरी कब होगी, प्राइस क्या होगा, क्वालिटी कैसी होगी, रिफंड पॉलिसी क्या होगी. यही सब चीजें हम इंक्लूड करेंगे लेटर ऑफ प्लेसिंग एन ऑर्डर में. Going on to the letter of placing an order, again If sender's address is given, we will write that. Otherwise, examination hall, Delhi. If the date is provided to us, we will write the date. Otherwise, we'll write any particular date. एक चीज याद रखिएगा, we do not write the word date in any of the letters. Fine. Designation of the person is very essential. You should always write the designation. Never miss it out. So the first paragraph here again will start with a reference and the purpose of writing the letter. Second paragraph will talk about discount, will talk about delivery conditions and also talk about payment conditions. It is essential. Third paragraph and the last paragraph will actually talk about a complimentary clause that we look forward to a long-term professional relationships. Also, it will talk about what happens if the product is not in proper quality. So, refund, replacement policy, everything will come in the last paragraph. ये जो बीच में आप टेबल देख रहे हैं, this is the exact order that we are placing. So, always write name of the musical instrument, product code that you can actually design on your own. अगर आपको letter to the placing an order of books लिखना है, तो again books में publisher का नाम आ जाएगा. It can be the name of the author also. मेडिसिन है तो कंपनी नेम आ जाएगा, कोई और प्रोडक्ट है तो प्रोडक्ट कोड आ जाएगा, एंड द क्वांटिटी. दिस इज व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू इंक्लूड इन द लेटर ऑफ प्लेसिंग एन ऑर्डर. नाउ लेट्स मूव ऑन टू लेटर ऑफ इंक्वायरी. यहाँ पर वी आर मेकिंग एन इंक्वायरी. इट कैन बी द इंक्वायरी रिगार्डिंग अ कोर्स, to apply, how to apply, what is the eligibility criteria, what is the admission procedure. All these come under letter of inquiry. Once again, the format will remain same. You need to have a sender's address, then you need to have date, then you need to have receiver's address, you need to have subject. Subject should be precise. 3 से 4, 5 words बस, इससे ज़्यादा subject नहीं लिखना है. Again, first paragraph will have the reference and the purpose of writing the letter. Second paragraph will have the exact pointers that you want to ask. And the third paragraph will have the request that you want the information to be sent on this particular address. Now, address बताने से अच्छा होता है, but we write a line. What we do is, we write a line. A self-addressed envelope has been enclosed for your kind reference. That's all. The simplest letter, I would say. Then comes letter of complaint. ये दो types के होते हैं. So let us talk about the first type of letter of complaint first. Now the first type of letter of complaint. यहाँ पर we write to an authority. For example, here in this question, Residents Welfare Association of Malviya Nagar is writing to the Assistant Commissioner of Police regarding the complaint against the deteriorating law and order situation in the area of Malviya Nagar. So what we did again in the first paragraph, we wrote the problem, the brief of the problem, as well as the purpose of writing, you can call it. Second paragraph, we go into the details of the problem. What all is happening because of this. Third paragraph, first of all, we'll give a suggestion. What you want from the authorities to be done. And then you will ask for their support in this particular regard. Remember, we are complaining, but our language has to be very polite. Do not actually bang on to the troublesome language over there. Now this is another type of letter of complaint. मैंने कोई प्रोडक्ट खरीदा और प्रोडक्ट अच्छा नहीं निकला. So that is type 2 of letter of complaint. Now in this type of letter, जो हमारा first paragraph है, format will remain the same. जो first paragraph है, that will contain bill number, date of the bill, because this is how the company knows you. You have bought something, you must be having the bill. So this is how the company knows you. That is your identification. Write down the brief of the problem within the first paragraph only. Second paragraph, again, details of the paragraph. And third paragraph, once again, suggestion. What do you want? You want a refund, you want a replacement, you want a repair. Whatever you want, write it over there and then give a complimentary clause to the letter. Remember, never write I'm going to go to the consumer court, मैं complaint कर दूंगा, मैं ये कर दूंगा. Nowhere this has to be written. Again, the language has to be very polite. That's all for the letter writing today. You can find out more of my videos like a video on poetic devices or class 9 chapters on my channel. Please like and subscribe. Comment if you want a video on any particular topic related to English language. I'll make that video for you.